This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The necklace can be considered one of the most significant and well-known works of Guy de Maupassant. The author wrote this short story in 1884 and published it in the same year for the first time. The necklace presents an ironic ending, which is a distinct feature of de Maupassant's writing style. This paper discusses the problem of appearance and reality presented in the story, as well as conveys de Maupassant's idea behind its ending. The necklace. The story tells the reader about Mathilde Loisel, who has always wanted to be an aristocrat and follow an upper social class lifestyle. She dreams about wearing expensive clothes and having beautiful dresses and jewelry. Her dreams are a significant part of her life, and she is ashamed of her current social position and the house she has to live in. Mathilde's husband invites her to the Ministry of Education party, and she decides to borrow a fancy necklace from one of her friends to attend this important event. After the party, the woman realizes that she has lost the necklace and tries to replace it, paying 40,000 francs for a similar one and falling into debt for the next 10 years. A decade later, the woman accidentally meets her friend again, who tells Mathilde that the piece of jewelry is fake and not worth much money. Appearance versus reality in the necklace. One of the major themes of the story is the difference between appearance and reality. From the beginning of the story, the reader can feel that Mathilde is irritated with her appearance and distressed with the poverty of her apartment and the reality she has to live in. The woman is envious of other people who live in houses with fine furniture, wear expensive clothes, and eat delicious food. She feels like she does not belong to her social class and is born into it by mistake. When Mathilde's husband invites her to the party, the woman realizes that her appearance is different from the looks of its attendees. She imagines elegantly dressed people whose wealth radiates through their expensive clothes. Mathilde's friend, Miss Forestier, also belongs to the high class in the woman's eyes, as she has many fine pieces of jewelry. At the party, Mathilde's appearance becomes a success, as everyone seems interested in her. She sees that all those wealthy people she has always envied treat her as if she belonged to their social class. However, de Maupassant wants to tell the reader that appearance does not mean anything and that envy has its price. Mathilde learns that the necklace is fake, which means that nothing that the woman had believed is true. Expensive-looking dresses and jewelry, as well as individuals' appearance, cannot tell others anything about their wealth. They only show how much effort a person puts into preserving their social position. By adding an ironic twist, the author shows that the classist attitude may be dangerous. He conveys the idea that appearances may be significantly different from reality, and it may be harmful to an individual to believe otherwise. Conclusion. The necklace is a notable piece of literature that conveys an important idea. It shows that perceptions based on other people's appearances may differ from reality. One should not envy others because they seem wealthy or have a better social status. Outcomes of such misconception may result in negative outcomes, as happened for Mathilde Loisel because she thought that the necklace was authentic. If you want to find more works like this essay on appearance and reality in the necklace by Guy de Maupassant, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.